All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to the live stream. Today is 16th of February and 2025. Walaikum Salam. Can you guys hear me clearly? Sound check. One, two, three. All right. So let's just break down the chart. What's just going on the gold right now? Okay. So started with the actually it's the start of the week. So let me just look at the weekly candle. Wow, wow, wow. Weekly just close like a small body. You know what? If this candle just going to break above this high, it's 51.20. There's a very high probability it could be impulse entry on the weekly time frame for a swing trader. Wow, man, it's just a very pretty range. So let's just jump from weekly to daily time frame. It's just consolidating going on here right now, just having a support here. And this is a resistance we are having on the top, but just need to jump from. It's a bigger ranges right now. Look at this one, man, 2000 pip range. So daily from daily to H4 to see more better picture actually. You know what, so I'm just looking at this current resistance area, and this is the new resistance which is going to be tap might be with the volume, but still, you know what, we just need to look at these support and resistance. Still it's a 4-hour time frame, and this 4-hour time frame is like a 500 pip range. So looking at H4 to H1, H1 just creating some kind of a structure here, just we are having support here, and the current resistance we are having this area. Okay, man, it's like a very complicated situation right now. So let me see this one. Looking at 30-minute time frame, this can just close with a strong bearish candle. Then what the hell, just this can just pushing to the upside. Why why looking at 15-minute time frame, nothing just clear on the 15-minute time frame. I think so buys make sense if we just going to break above these rejection area on the left hand side. This makes sense. This is the resistance I'm having right now with me. If I just go to candle, we're just going to break and close above these all rejection, this resistance area. So above this area we are having this clean traffic, it's a 100 pip range. It's a Monday, so I will try to grab 50, 60 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips, something like that. I think so that makes sense. Above this area, this would be the range, and I'm just taking this current support area here right now. Man, just looking at this higher time frame. I'm not looking at 50-minute time frame in this situation. I will use 50-minute time frame if I just need some kind of a confirmation and just wanted to take a smaller stop loss. Rather than that, right now the situation, how the situation is showing me momentum, I think so sticking with the 30-minute time frame it make more sense. Just taking this current support area here, and if we're just going to break below this low, wow, man, there's a lot of rejections here. I actually just not interested in sells anymore right now. You know what, look at the rejection right now, the way the market is pushing to the upside. I think so. Sells make sense if I just go to begin going to be get some kind of a resistance, like a bearish candle, just going to be closed right on the resistance area. So then I'm gonna take a sell to grab this clean traffic on the left hand side. And if it's just going to be create some structure and break above this high, then I'm just gonna go for the buys. So yeah, it's a very tricky one, but we just need to stick with the plan actually right now. So yeah, I think so. This makes sense. This totally makes sense. So good afternoon, good afternoon. Today is bank hol. Oh, is it today bank holiday? Really? I really don't know anything about it. Oh man, I just didn't check out today for a secretary. Oh, today is bank holiday. Oh man, I just didn't knew that. You know what? Whenever there's a bank. All right. So you know what? If whenever I'm just going to face bank holiday, I try to avoid trading that day. Totally just try to avoid trade that day, because higher probability during the bank holiday we just gonna face volatility. We just gonna face less volume. We just might be like a messy price action that day, so I try to avoid. I just like didn't knew that today is just like a Monday, and it's a bank holiday as well, and we just like enter into NY Open and bank holiday. Just like I can see that it's it's a bank holiday, but we'll see if I just like going to be get like a good structure. Now I'm just like not gonna go with any kind of impulse entry. I'm not interested in any kind of impulse, and it's Monday and a bank holiday as well. So I will just like try 100% to go as a impulse entry setups. I will wait for some kind of a confirmation candles, just like close above the resistance, close below the support, and giving me some kind of a huge volume, showing me some potential in it. Then there's a probability I'm gonna give my trade a chance. Rather than that, I will try to avoid the trade. To be honest, but we'll see. But we'll see. The candle size will decide that rather than just like going to be execute on some structure or not. So I did take my trade for today, so no more trades, but I wouldn't have taken the impulse on 15. Where? This one? I don't think so, but it's just like already done with the day. Just like watch it like as a educational content. So Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. How to get confirmation from smaller time frame? Could you please explain the logic? Smaller time frame, like breaking down the chart from higher time frame from daily to H4 to H1 to H1 to M30, M30 to M15. If M15 just like required or M30 just like printing in a bigger size, then we just like need to look at like a 50-minute time frame. Or if a 30-minute just like having long wicks to the upside or to the downside, then we just like also need to look at sneak peek on the 15-minute time frame. But you know what? You have to be execute somewhere. You have to be take some position on a chart. So 30 minutes is like more comfortable with comfortable than the 50-minute time frame actually. So that is just like giving us the confirmation what could be happen on the higher time frame. So lower time frame, we just like use lower time frame to get the confirmation what could be happen, like what where we can grab the opportunity by like aligning these time frame with each other. So yeah, this is how we just like use lower time frame to understand what could be happen on the higher time frame. So right now I can see this H4 just like previous H4 just like close in a bullish form. This H1 just this H4 just like pushing to the downside, but did not break the low of the previous H4 time frame. You can see this one. So on a lower time frame from H4 to H1, you see this candle just like rejected with a long rejection wick, going to be close like in 20 minutes, still open. If you just like looking at 30-minute time frame, 30 minutes just like previous 30 minutes just like close in a bearish form, but just like rejected and pushing to the upside, and that's it. So lower time frame just like telling you how the H4 just like respecting these things. So let's see. Okay, so I usually trade in London session. NY Open is in 24 minutes, right? NY Open just like in 20 minutes now. All right. So, okay, Washington Day, President Day today. Okay, Wanda is having hard times. Why? Let me see this one. It's just like stopped, not moving actually. Is it? What is this? Having like a gap? Oh, gap. Doesn't matter. It's having a gap actually. Yeah, this is due to like a bank holiday. Might be we just like miss the liquidity, like a spike to the upside to the downside. Anything could be happen. All right. So looking at YouTube, Walaikum Salam, Alhamdulillah, Walaikum Salam. Very low volume. You just like need to increase your volume. I can't do anything about it. And executed sells on 30-minute candle close using smaller lot size because previous candle showed volume but hit my SL. Yeah, this is something due to bank holiday. It's happened actually. It's happened due to whenever there's like a bank holiday. Even we just like going to be get a confirmation, it could be betrayed easily. But we'll see. Uh, I didn't knew bank holiday today. Yeah, I also didn't knew that today is just like a bank holiday. But still, we'll see. We'll see. It is whatever it is. Okay. Many people just like knew that today is just like a bank holiday. That's why I think so on my stream, very few people just like showed up. Very few people. Wow. So one-to-one session, how can I contact you, man? You just like need to send me text on my Instagram. So I will just like send you the details there for one-on-one sessions. All right. So, man, look at this one. It's just like showing a very strong bullish momentum in it. Then suddenly just like drop the momentum. What just like happened here? Look at this one. Rejected from this area. These are rejection even we're just like having on the left hand side. But if I can just like going to be close below this low, I think so. Yeah, man. Just like need to depend on the volume. Volume, and I can't see volume till right now on the charts. I think so. I'm just like not gonna do this long stream today. It's a Monday and a bank holiday we are having actually. So yeah, man, it does make sense. Just like looking at this one. Here I go. All right, what is this? Hey man, just like don't do this. So you know what? What I'm just like looking for. If this can just like continuously pushing upside, if it's just like continuously pushing upside, and if I just like going to be get some kind of a strong candle, just like getting right on the resistance area. So this is where I'm just like wanted to take a sell to fill this range. Or if you're just like going to be create some kind of structure here, break above this structure area, close above somewhere here, next candle, create a wick, break above these highs. These are the clean traffics, tradable range, volume, and these all things. This is the second vision I'm just like having with me. And for cells, this is if the continuously can just like pushing to the upside, then again I'm just like gonna face the clean traffic on the left hand side in this way. So let's see what structure just like going to be printed there. We'll see. And in the other way, if I'm just like going to be get a 30 minute, not a 50 minute, I'm talking about the 30 minute. If I'm just like going to be get a 30 minute, can I close below this support area? So depending on the volume, I just like totally need to depend on the volume in this situation, because there's still like a lot of rejection, and even on a 50-minute time frame, there's like not a clean traffic on the left hand side. So if I just like go to like I can just like close below this support area, I just like need to depend on the volume to go through these all rejection wicks on the left hand side. This is the clean traffic, but still there's like a rejection on the left hand side, and it's also like connected with the H4 support area as well. So it's a little messy, and I will say a complicated, but volume could help me out in this situation. So I'm 15 just like close in a bullish form, still within the range. So 30 minutes just like still open, went upside, come downside. It's just like doing some kind of volatility here right now. What's the plan in Ramzan for streaming? Oh yeah, man, I just like forget about this one. Ramzan just like going to be start after 3 days, I think so. So I think so. Only London just like suits me for the for the streams. Actually, I will just like discuss with Raja, bro, because during the iftar time, I think so I can't do stream, because that will be the time of the iftar actually. Let me see. कब यार ये इफ्तारी का टाइम कौन सा है? मगरिब कितने बजे होती है रमज़ान में? अभी होती है 5-6 बजे, 6:15 पे. Let's see. We'll settle down some schedule for Ramzan actually. What if the M30 candle close with long rejection wick and small body? Then that could be like an impulse entry with the long rejection wick and with a small body. That could be like a impulse entry structure there. 6:15. Yeah, I just like a new 6:15. So I can't do stream during that time. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Sir, I have a calendar. That's great. So I think so. It will be at 6:15 in Pakistan time. 6:15. 6:15 in Pakistan time. 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 6:15 in Pakis see, man. I have to be settled on some schedule for that one. The coming month is a Ramzan month, so yeah. Just like waiting for this calendar to be closed. Actually, right now, we'll see. I'm just like waiting right now. There's like nothing I can see on the chart. I can't see volume. I can't see any structure. Till right now, I can't see any buys, any sells. Look at the way how it just like stopped here. Look at the way it's just like having no volume right now. Let me see this. Look at this M1 minute time frame candle right now. It's just like no, it's moving like a snail actually right now. Not moving anything like just stuck here. Just like stuck here. So we'll see. And right after 12 minutes, we're just like going to be entering the opening of NY session. But still, bank holiday. So we'll see. It's a Monday. It's a Monday, 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 Monday. After ending Ramzan, then iftar time, I'll be 6:45 or 7. We'll see. Let's see. Let's see. What? What is this? Is it some kind of song going on behind? All right. So, what's your plan for Ramzan? Bhai? We'll see, yaar. We'll see. We'll announce it. One in one class is how we can contact you. I told you just like contact me on my Instagram. It's forex dot qas forex dot cas. This is my Instagram ID. Just like need to text me there for the details. All right. So, man, I think so today is just like gonna very boring day for the NYS session. Was my sell execution valid on previous minute 30 candle close? This one? Did you execute somewhere here? Because this makes sense. If you just like wanted to take a sell, as you just like broke the low of the small body candle, this makes sense to fill this wick. And I think so it's a tradable range as well. It's like a 60 pip range, and your stop loss could be above the current candle high. This makes sense. And if you just like take a sell, I don't know where you just like took a sell, but if you just like going to be take a sell somewhere here, it's just like already moved a lot and you just like miss the move. So it doesn't make sense to take a sell somewhere here or somewhere here. So yeah, this is it. Today bank holiday, sir. Yeah, I knew that. I just like didn't knew that, but now I just like knew today just like a bank holiday. That's a market just like behaving like that. Look at this London session just like moving cleanly to the downside and to the upside, and now it's just like drop the volume. I think so. London close will bring something on the table today, might be, but who knows that? Sometime what happened, you know what? Everyone just like made a mind that today is just like a bank holiday, and market just like starts showing like a wild volume. I saw that during this Trump tenure. Even there's like a bank holiday, but market just like moving like a knife, like a sharp knife. So I can't predict that one, but mostly whenever there's like a bank holiday, I saw like a less volume in the market. But if there's a market, anything could be happen anytime. So not boring. It's always educational for me. Yeah, it's like really educational for everyone who just like really want to learn and who just like really hungry for the education actually. Salam Kasser, in US bank holiday, London has not volume. US bank holiday do not have any kind of correlation with the like London session actually. It's totally different. NY just like connected only with the NY. It don't have any kind of relation with the London session. Sir, after NYC open at what time London gets closed? Can you show me, sir? Just like go to babypips.com and you just like going to be get the details there. Okay, so Musa just like send me something. What is? Oh, it's a calendar. Sixth, the first Ramzan. Yeah, 612. 612. I just like can't do stream. Then it's mean. Just like need to do some adjustment here with the streams actually. Might be we'll start the stream during the pre NY. With the pre NY, I think so. We'll see. We'll see. What do you think for 50-minute time frame? If this week down and go up, I'm not interested in any buys yet. If it's just like week down, break above this high, this is where from it's just like rejected. This is the resistance. This is the resistance. This is the resistance. Break and close above this area. This makes sense because then we are going to be then I'm just going to be clean, get like clean traffic on the left hand side and structures like nothing like moving like snails. Like look at this. Let's see. Just like waiting right now for a 30-minute candle and there's like 7 minutes left for the opening of NY session as well. So let's see. Look at the way market just like stopped like on a 5,000 like a psychological number. It just like stopped like not giving any kind of reaction here. It's a clear sign of less volume in the market. Sells more comfortable. Well, if you just like going for the sells or rather just like going for the buys, in both ways you just like can't go without volume actually. It's just like need a lot of volume to go through these rejection even. Look at this one. If you just like looking at 50-minute time frame, these rejection having a lot of rejection and a support area here. Look at this one. This support, then this support. So we just like need a lot of volume to go through these all rejections. So need to wait and watch. I'll see that if I'm just like gonna get something on the table in a next 30 minutes or 45 minutes or not. Well, let's see. Okay. So wow, man, just like I can't see anything right now. No volume, man. As we just like coming nearby the opening of NY, just like not showing any kind of volume in it. Yeah, it's quite like a difficult situation right now. Sir, what you think streaming it at NYSC open and then close volume? We'll see. We'll see. Just like need to do some other things as well. So just there's just like 3 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to be closed, and I'm just like waiting right now. Looking at 50-minute, nothing on a 50-minute, 30-minute, just like nothing on 30-minute H1. H1 just like about to be closed in 3 minutes. And yeah, can't see anything till right now. And I'm definitely not gonna execute with the impulse entry. It's my plan for today as a bank holiday I'm having. If I just like wanted to take a sell, and I would like to see a candle should have to be close below the support area and nearby the support area. I don't want it to close far away from the support area. Then again, I'm not gonna take any sells. I would like to see a candle should have to be close somehow like this. Next candle should create a wick, break the low. I execute it, try to grab some chunks here, and if it start like went in my favor like 20 25 pips, come back to my entry, have to close 50% position, come back and break its own high, have to be close everything. This could be I can go with a risk management, or if I just like execute it, and as it's just like after my execution it just like didn't went in my favor 20 25 pips, start pushing upside and just like break its own high, something like that. I should have to be close like a 50% position here, and if it just like rotates more than like a 50% of the previous candle high, so I just like need to close everything. This could be the different scenarios for the risk management and for the execution. And remember, always remember that the best execution will always bring the best risk management with it. If your execution just like not on the right point, you just like execute a late entry, probability you just like gonna get a bigger stop loss, and you just like also can't manage the risk in that way. Why your voice is so low, bro? I don't know, but others just like getting clear voice. You are the one just who just like having the issues, just like need to increase the volume of your headphone. And it's happening with the YouTube only actually. Here my zoom guy is just like not getting any kind of low voice here. So yeah, days are just like converted into start converting into whole days actually. I think so. Summer is just like coming up now. So man, just like can't see any volume. Look at this one, man, just like not moving. It's just like not moving and not giving any kind of structure here. Okay. So man, just like waiting. This 30 minutes candle just like close. We enter into opening of NY right now, and still I can't see any opportunity. You can see that there's like no opportunity I can see. You know what? I don't know why, but I was just like having a feeling on a Friday, just like wanted to take a swing trade somewhere here, like on 50-50, and it just like went down. And I think so due to some reason I couldn't take this sell from 50-50, like a psychological number. It just like went 800 pips. I still feel that we could get like a one more dip on a gold, but at the end it should have to be go to the upside. You know what with my perspective, I think so. I'm just like giving my words today. I think so gold gonna be the new Bitcoin. It's my perspective actually. I'm just like planning to get some kind of physical things like physical golds in shape of physical gold. It's like wanted to hold some sums actually. But you know what, with my perspective, I think so gold is like gonna be new Bitcoin. We'll see. Wow, no volume. What do you mean with it? I just like mean it. I mean that there's a probability gold could become like a new Bitcoin. Its price like might be will just like keep pushing upside. Might be in the 5 years or 10 years, it will be with the same price of gold, with the same price of BTC, like a 100K or 50K. I never knew that, but I just like the way I'm just like looking at the fundamental conditions, the way the market just like moving, the way I can see just some kind of geopolitical tensions, the way I can see a World War III. I feel that gold, the way they just like making the policies as well. So I'm just like getting feeling at the end it will be the new Bitcoin. Bitcoin might be just like removed from the industry, but it's just like not gonna remove ever. So I can feel that it could be like a new Bitcoin. We'll see. If someone just like wanted to go with any kind of insurance policies, I would say don't go with any insurance policy. Just like buy physical gold. That will give you more than that insurance policies actually after 10 years or after 20 years. So how are you, bro? I'm fine. Welcome, Chatniya. 2 weeks ago, I purchased physical gold. Perfect. Hold it for 5 to 10 years. 10 years at least. Isn't Bitcoin the digital gold, or at least a couple of years ago, I think they marketed it that way. Yeah, everyone just like saying that, but the reality will always be the real thing will be always the real gold, just like running from the beginning of the world actually. So it's just like always maintain its worth, and I think so it's gonna be the new Bitcoin. Last 1 month, I saw the low volume on London session. What is your opinion about it? What happened with London? Nothing. It is whatever it is. Sometimes we just like having good volume in the London. Sometimes it just like could drop that and can shift it towards like a Asian session or shift it towards like a NY session. But I just like need to do only the session which just like suits my life schedule. That's it. I can't do trading while I'm just like sitting on some job or some business, or just like have to be moved with my family somewhere, or I just like need to meet someone. I just like need to sit on the chart when there's like a proper time I'm having with me, like 3 to 4 hours. So yeah. So they charge 9% making charges. Spreads are too high in offline. 9%. Why do you just like to like buy something which is like you just like made? I think you just like make some jewelry in gold. 9% making charges. I am talking about just like go with 24 karat pure gold. If you just like wanted to go with some plan for your children's or for your family, for your education, something like that, then I will say that go with the 24 karat gold, buy it and hold it for 10 years. A lot of friends of mine, I just like told them and they just like bought the gold actually. Still they are right now they are in a profit. Like I just like tell them to buy gold. They just like holding it from 4,000. They are mostly having a plan to kept it like for 10 years. Okay, I bought half kg. I double my money. Great. That's great. Okay, so Casbro, in holidays, do want to do back testing stream in a month? It's possible. We'll see. I just like never do like back testing to be honest, because live stream running with the live market, I think so. Just like can give you like more education than the back testing, something like that, because it's also involving emotions in it. On back testing, you're just like not gonna lose anything, and the way market is like moving, you can fast forward it or fast, but it's just like very good for the beginner or for the intermediate. They have to be go back testing, but at my level I would say now it's not good for me. I can't feel it actually. बिस्किट, हाँ जी बिस्किट खरीद लें भाई. बिस्किट खरीद लें 24 कैरेट का. क्या सर, डू यू डू अ बैक? ओके, again the same question, man. So from September to December, volume was amazing. Is first December we don't have a good price action on London. You know what? December mostly December, every year December just like behave in the same way, like losing the volume actually, because most of the businesses like hedge funds, insurance companies, banks, they just like starting their audits, something like that. They just like start doing some kind of profit taking. want going with some new positions. So yeah, every December mostly having less volume in it. Okay, man, just like waiting here. Look at this one. It's just like not showing a little volume even. Not even like from here to here. It just like took almost like 7 to 8 minutes. I can't see anything. Nothing. So just like moving like a snail. Wow. What you guys think about a 25K Dominion funding giveaway? It's been a long time. So we'll see. We'll see during the Ramadan. We'll see. I think so. I'm getting feeling to spend some $1,000 on a community. Let's see. What does the cost of $25,000 account right now on a Dominion funding? Okay, Dominion funding. Where it is? What is the cost of 25K right now? Dominion funding dot trade. Okay. Wow, it's already 30% off. If I just like going to buy three account, it costs me 30% off. So 25K two step or single step. Single step price of 25K is, what is the price? Oh, this is $319. Three account is equal to almost like $900. Three account is like $900. Interesting. So should I spend $900? Should I? Should I? Well, let's see. Let's see. Man. Did you take any trade today? No, I just like didn't took any trades, or not even a single trade today actually. So just like I'm on the chart right now. I just like sitting with Raja Bro during his live stream, but was on my mobile phone, was traveling that time, so didn't took any trade actually. I need 1.5% to clear my challenge. How should I go now? What risk should I use now? Lower the risk. You know what? Whenever you just like nearby to passing any challenge, psychologically you might get overconfidence or might going to be like in a chaos condition to pass it quickly. But at that time, you just like need to be relaxed, chill, lower the load size, and take this 1.5% like slowly. I would say don't go with completely 1.5%. Try to go with 0.5%, then another 0.5%, something like that. And if you just like going with some kind of like a clean structure, like on a Wednesday or Thursday, something like that, when there's like a probability of a high volume, then you can easily pass it. So yeah, what is the cost of your one-on-one session? It's $1,000 actually. You just like going to be get five one-on-one sessions. In that period, I had a great trades. After holidays, everything has changed. Yeah, range on gold are wild. Exactly, low volume on London session. I hope the volume will come back and that I will have good trades again. Yeah, definitely. Market is like not going to be remain same for the whole life. Might be 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It will be normalized again. Who knows that? But right now, the way you just like getting the actual education you guys just like having with you, you can easily adopt every kind of condition of the market. You can easily adopt it because structure just like going to be work in the same way. All you just like need to do just like lower the load size and be a part of the current situation. So we are just like not providing some kind of education which is like gonna work out in a certain market. It's like I would say it's 365 days just like gonna work out. All you just like need to do, just like need to adopt the market. Structure will remain same, work out in the same way, getting bigger stop losses, lower the lot size. Simple solution. Use the common sense actually. So what is the advantage of your one-on-one session? Actually, one-on-one session are for those who just like wanted to, I would say, go through their psychological issues, wanted to get clear structures, wanted to ask questions on different structure, their issues, their problems. So it's just like including these all things. And while you just like watching some videos, you cannot ask any questions to them. But while you just like sitting with the one-on-one session, you can ask the questions actually. So that will be get more clear for your things. There are many students right now sitting here who just got one-on-one session from me. I think so. Yeah, this Parth just like sitting here right now. He just like got like a one-on-one session with me. Yeah. Oh, look at this one. What just like in my favor, like worth it. Get the sessions. So definitely, yeah, it's really worth it. Definitely. So today is USD bank holiday. That is why it doesn't move like past. Yeah, definitely. It's due to bank holiday. This is something due to bank holiday. Exactly. But still, I'm just like waiting for some strong bullish, bearish candle to close below the support so I can give my trade a chance. We'll see. It's just like waiting right now, man. Just like waiting. Market just like stuck here somewhere here. Actually, look at this one. How it's been like a long time. It's just like stuck. Look at this this area. It was just like doing consolidation, man, for a whole week, and then in the last day of the week, wow, just like drop like 4,000 pips. Yeah, just like doing consolidation right now. It's like a 2,000 pips. Yeah, just like drop like 2,000 pip, man. And again, it's just like start doing consolidation right now. Can I see or zoom it on a higher time frame with more better picture? What is this, Mr. What just like trying to do here? Hey, don't do this. So looking at these structures on a higher time frame with a daily perspective, daily just like doing consolidation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 from almost like 2 weeks. It's just like doing consolidation, but with a lower time frame, still we just like grabbing opportunity. Even this, how is your like fabric going on till right now, everyone? Are you standing in profits? Oh man, look at this one. It's like moving like waves right now. Okay. The platform I was trading with has restricted gold. I'm planning to open a live account. What would you suggest? Go with live or try another? Wow, why they just like do this? Why they just like implement restriction on the gold actually? Leave that from. They just like get scared from you. I think so, from everyone. Just like go with, if you just like wanted to go with the platform, go with the Dominion funding actually. Right now they are just like running a 30% off as well. So just like go get the opportunity with that. They still have a open having no restriction on gold actually. So yeah, do you have any signal group? No, I never ever provide any signals. I just like only provide education which will stand you at your own feet. Rather, I would say, suppose they one day when there was like no Raja Bro will be there, when I will not be there. So you should have to be do all things at your own. This is the purpose of Market Fluidity University. We just like never took anyone like investments. We never attached their investment. We never took anyone money. We never ask for money. We never provide signals. We just like never going to be offer you anything which just like giving you the hope that your life gonna be flip in one night. So it's a proper process and you have to be go through this one. How to remove arrows from the MT5 chart? If you know, let me know. Just like click here, trade history. and click here, and it will be removed. So 30 minutes just like breaking the low, and there's like 12 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to be closed. I'm not interested in impulse entry. I would like to wait for this candle to be closed below the support. So yeah, man. Can beginners join your one-on-one session? Actually, one-on-one session for those who just like already in this industry and having issue with it. Only those beginners which just like known with the basic things like how to calculate pips, how to read the structure, how to how to recognize support resistance. I think so. That will be enough for the beginner to understand my concepts. But you should have to be known with the basics. Wow, look at the rejection, man. It's just like rejected like a wild one. So yeah. Wow, look at this on this 50-minute can just like don't have a bottom wick as well. This 30 minutes just like rejected very wildly from this area. So volatility. CAS provides signal with proper education. You know what? When there is a time to take a trade, like when there's a time to execute a trade, you can't even text someone, because if you just like going to be text someone, just like take a entry for a buy or sells and places like while you were just like writing down these texts, you might gonna miss the move. You might gonna the market just like most probably like leave your like exit sorry, the exactly entry here there might be just like going to be enter late, or might be we just like managing the risk and you just like entering your trade. So I don't think so signal is just like a good idea. I don't think so. It doesn't make sense, because when I'm just like going to be execute, I just like need to align the things with each other, like a clean traffic, tradable range, volume time, confirmations, and here we go. Sometimes I'm just like go with the impulse entry. Someone just sometimes I just like wait for the confirmation candle. So I can give the idea, but it's not possible to provide signal, to be honest. So what signal provider mostly do, I would say, might be they're having 20 clients with them. 10 of them they were just like giving some kind of a sell signal, and 10 they just like gonna give some kind of a buy signal. This is how they do work actually. I don't think so. You actually copy trading makes sense. Someone can offer copy trading, that makes sense because the execution and exit just like remain the same, but providing signal like while you are just like right sitting on the point when you just like need to execute or you just like need to leave that execution, so you cannot text to someone actually. It doesn't make sense. Totally doesn't make sense. Okay. Do you provide copy trading? No, I don't take anyone investments. I don't want to put any kind of pressure on my mentality. So I just like want to play with my own money only. Can you check JPY analysis on that? Let's see. Let's see pound yen here. So pound, wow, just like pushing upside this daily, just like rejected with the long rejection. The body just like small right now. Just like need to jump from daily to H4. Let me see the weekly one. Oh, weekly just like close very strongly in a bearish form. Probability could continuously pushing down. Even the daily time frame just like close with small body with a long rejection. So H4 just like having a resistance here. And look at the H4 even just like doing consolidation right now. Look at this one. Just like doing the consolidation. Nothing, I think so. But on a smaller time frame, just like having a resistance here. And this is the current support you just like going to be get on a H1 time frame. This makes sense. So if a candle just like going to be close above this area, you just like having a beautiful 50 pip range. It's like more than enough. Very nice range you are having. You can grab 20-25 pips out of it. Or if it just like come down, create some support, like a candle just like going to be closed right on a support area, so there's a probability like it just like come down and create some strong body bullish candle here. There's a probability it's just like gonna retest this high. This makes sense. This makes sense. Or a close above this area, then you are having like clean traffic. So these are the areas you can go for the buys. And for sells, I think so sells only make sense below this area. Here you can see you are having like a clean traffic, but it's like not a, it's still like a 50 pip range. So here you can grab some opportunity for the sells or buys, two scenarios for the buys and one scenario for the sells. And you just like need to wait now, wait for some structure to be formed. Make sense, Mr. Sheikh Wajah Saab? Okay, so Salam guys, bhai, walaikum salam. Can you suggest copy trading software like copy trade between our own accounts? I don't use, to be honest, I never ever use any copy trading software. I use two, three accounts, but I just like use it manually. I never attach them ever with each other actually. Different accounts having like different psychology. Some accounts I'm having like I just like, if I just like have a plan to play aggressive, I try to flip on that one. Sometimes I just like need to play defensive, so I just like need to like convert to that account, and this account is like totally connected with the educational content, like for the live stream. Oh man, let me see this month how this account just like goes. Okay, 16th, and from first to two. Okay, here I go. It's standing at almost like 22%, 22, 23% of the capital. Yeah, 22% up like in 16 days or 15 days. Yeah, good one I would say. Volume was just like wild and just like giving me a lot of opportunity. I just like load the loads and then grab the opportunity. And by loading the loads, I just like make more than the normal market movement actually. Yeah, it's opportunity. It was opportunity, and it will remain there for the whole month. I think so. We'll see. Are you participating in the Dominion Market Leaderboard Challenge? I just like hear about that one. Still didn't open any account. We'll see. We'll see. But it doesn't make sense to go with the leaderboard challenge. I don't want it if 25k. Why I just like need to go for the leaderboard? But we'll see. We'll see. It's good to be like to have fun actually. Let's see if I can flip it like 2x, 3x, or 4x, something like that, or just like gonna blow that one with a $500. I think so. It will be not good for my psychology. Assalamu alaikum, bhaijan. Walaikum salam. Yes. So, hello, sir. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Look at this rejection, man. It's like pushing to the upside right now. 50 minutes just like don't have a bottom wick. So, yeah, just like waiting. There's like nothing on the chart. It's almost just almost like going to be like 1 hour, just like going to be ended. And I just like got nothing. It's just like ranging without volume actually. It's ranging without volume. Both are dangerous. You can start with these 6.5k. So you guys just like want me to put my this account onto leaderboard challenge so you can copy it. Am I right? Yeah, you just like wanted to copy this account. We'll see how many guys just like going to be attached to their accounts with me. Let me just like see the numbers here. Oh, okay, no one. Look at this one. I just like didn't get any message right now. No one just like wanted to attach their account with my account actually. So no one interested in not interested in copy trading. Look at the investment. I got nothing. They just like got scared with me. Yeah. So man, just like about to be closed in 4 minutes, 30-minute candle. Look at this. Look at this man. Just like nothing. Moving like a snail. Yeah. Now you are saying me. Someone just like write down me, I will, and then he just like delete the message. Oh, you just like roasting me right now. All right, so there's just like 3 minutes left for this candle to be closed. Can you give some discount on your one-on-one sessions, Talha? नहीं यार, कोई discount नहीं, no discount. It's like very difficult. Like different people just like having different psychology, different mentality, and I just like like uh, need to resolve the issues with the different psychology. It's just like a very tough. It's like a very tough to provide like one-on-one session. Last day I remember, last month actually, on December, I remember I just like open a discount for one-on-one session, and I just get tired with that one. There's like a lot of people just like showed their love. They just having one-on-one sessions with me. The for the whole month I was just like doing one-on-one sessions. It's like very difficult. Different people having different psychology, different mentality, different culture, and different issues with them, and they just like want me to resolve that, and it just like took like a lot force to make them comfortable and like get them out from their psychological issues or their problems. So no discount for a one-on-one session, and might be just like gonna increase in the future. It's really difficult. The fee might be gonna increase in the future. Oh man, it's just pushing to downside 30 minutes just like close now. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense actually. It makes sense. We just like bought a confirmation candle here right now. Just like need to break below this. Let me see how much stop loss I'm getting here. I think so 50-60 pips just like made sense. So this can just like close below the support now. Just like need a volume to break below this both rejection for the continuously pushing to the downside. Yeah, it's just like waiting. It's great that 30-minute can just like close below the support. It's great actually. All I need this scanner to be create a wick, break the low, and then I just like need to depend on the volume to continuously push it to the downside. Uh, yeah, just like waiting here. Let's see. And it should not be retraced more than 50% of the previous candle. Then it could be not a good thing, I would say. Let's see. Yeah, just like need to. I think so. It's a Monday. Just like need to put small risk today. If it's what if it's like not like a bank holiday, I might gonna go with the dynamic risk here. Then I will never try to wait for the candle to break below this low. Might be I'm just like gonna enter one position here, and somewhere here, stop loss could be somewhere here on above like 5,000. So let's see. It's just like closed below the support. These are the rejection, but I need to depend on the volume. Look at the candle just like close now. Look at the candle just like close now. Look at the size of this candle. Certainly just like showed up the volume actually. Cells only make sense below this area. Yes. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. I use FTM of 100, so can't copy account. All right, great. So people are still scared from that demo account, which don't work out. Oh, yeah. I think so. You should not be like use anyone to as a copy trading actually. Just like do things at your own. Don't give your a single penny to anyone else. Do the things at your own actually. You know what? Why I don't know, but why I'm just like getting a feeling. I wanted to take a sell from this 5,000, like a psychological number. Might be just like come up, tap to this 5,000, then it will start flipping to a downside. Let's see. It's just like suddenly drop the volume here. 5,000. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Breaking below this low makes sense. 50 pip stop loss, getting bigger stop loss, lower the load size. That's the solution actually. So just like waiting. Wow, man, it's like again just like stopped here. Come on, show me some guts. Give me this breakout. I'm getting like a 50 pip stop loss here. I can put like a $50 on a stake. Let's see. Wow, 5 minutes just like passed and it's just like still like standing here. Didn't break the low. Man, it's really come. And there's like more than 100 people just like watching on YouTube, and I'm just like having 31 likes only. Very nice. I like the way you guys love my stream. Don't even like the button. Very nice. And there are many people who just like did not even subscribe the channel, but they just like always like appear here to watch the stream actually. So just like subscribe this channel and hit the like button. You just like gonna hit the like button, and I'm just like gonna execute a very educational trade here. Yeah, looking at H1, looking at 30-minute H4, just like tapping to the downside. Just like you retrace more than 50% of the previous candle. H1 still open, M30. Oh man, look at this H1 break the low. This is the opportunity I can see. Wow. 30-minute even just like give us the confirmation candle. Still just like continuously pushing to the upside. What's your YouTube channel? It's Forex Gas. Forex. Simple Forex and QAS Gas. So volatility because of bank holiday. Yeah, man, it's just like due to bank holiday. You will see that there's like no smooth volume in one direction. Waiting for 4 hour closure, not taking the simple sells. Good for you. That totally just like makes sense and good for you. Can you give one-on-one session for 1 week? No, it's designed somehow like that. One-on-one session classes. It's like a 5 classes, and you're just like going to get during Saturday and Sunday during the holidays. On a one-on-one session only designed for Saturday and Sunday. Because in normal days, I just like need to ask, need to just like cover my community, need to cover this Margaret University. live streams for my community, for them, my personal community who just like in my WhatsApp group, who just like give take like one-on-one session classes with me, need to resolve their issues, wanted to do my own trading, so and wanted to do all like some kind of like affiliations things and do some marketing works, something like that. So the whole week just like totally get busy. And on Saturday, Sunday, I just like offer one-on-one sessions. Saturday, Sunday, the one-on-one session is like only available. How I can join your WhatsApp community? It will be automatically, you will be into it once you just like going to take like one-on-one sessions. And if you just like can't afford that one-on-one session, I would say Market Fruit University is like a best source to stick with, like to get like an education here. It's also more than enough. Both are, I would say, incredible. One something like you just like want to, okay, it's just like pushing to the downside. Oh man, wow, look at the rejection again. Just look at the rejection again. Just like showing volatility here. I'm also an MFU, but okay, we'll answer it later. Let me just like execute this situation right now. I'm just like waiting for this candle to be break the low, and here I go. Executed a sell. Stop loss will be above this current candle high using a lower lot size here. Let's see if with a volume it could continuously pushing to the downside. It just like broke this both low. It's still like educational content. It's a bank holiday, so volatility can be happen here. That's why I just like use a lower size to teach you guys some kind of educational thing here. So you will going to be like get a risk management situation here. Like look at this one. Now it's just like break the low of the previous both candles wick. Look at this one. So there is no business of this candle to come above in this range. If we just like come above within this range, then I just like need to start managing the risk. As this candle broke this both rejection wick, now if there's like a volume, it should be continuously pushing to the downside. It should be. But if you're not going to be wrecked in the way, then you just like need to manage the risk. That's all you can do. As a, I would say, retail trader, you cannot predict the market. You can execute on the probabilities. Like you got the confirmation, candle close below the support, giving the confirmation as candle create a wick, break below this both rejection wick. All I need just like volume here. All I need just like volume here to continuously pushing to the downside. That's all I just like need here. And if there's like a volume, it should not be stay here like a longer. It should be continuously pushing downside. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. So let's see. This is something you just like gonna learn. If you just like going to be face some kind of volatility or bank holiday, what could be happen? Anything could be happen. So let's see. Just like waiting here. How much I'm gonna lose actually? Let me see. I think I just like didn't. Yeah, just like a $30. It's a 60 pip stop loss. Lower the lot size. Executed a sell with the proper structure. If it's just like not gonna work out, need to manage the risk. Rather than rather than it should have to be worked out. If it's a normal market, if it's like not like a bank holiday, it just like not take this much longer time to be continuously pushing to the downside. This is called volatility. Even you just like got a confirmation candle and you are sitting with some kind of bank holiday or low volume, this could be happen. So let's see. Let's look at the way it's just like standing here right now, just like stopped at this level right now. See this one candle just like created a wick, did not just like retrace more than 50%, start rejecting from this area, broke the low of this both rejection on the left hand side, showing the previous candle clearly showing volume in it. Next candle create a wick, break the low, should be continuously pushing downside, but it's just like stuck here. It's just like stuck here. So just like take it as educational. It rotates more than 50% of the previous candle. Is sell still valid if oh no man, it's not like that. It's just like almost like a look at this one, 80 pips, and it's just like more rotates like almost like not like a more than I would say 50%, just like a normal thing. If it just like comes somewhere here, then I just like need to be worried about. So just like sticking with it with my plan. Let's see. So there's like 3 minutes left for this candle to be closed. The 50-minute candle is just like about to be closed in 3 minutes. Yeah, look at this one. No volume. There is like no volume I can see there. Yeah, nothing. Just like nothing. Bro, where's your magic? Oh, where is my magic EPIP counter? I really don't know. Ah, here it comes. Okay, let's see. Yeah, can't see volume. There's like no volume. See this one. This is how bank holiday looks like. It's Monday. Even I just like execute after the closure of the candle. Even I executed like look at this one. Let's break it down. This candle just like showed volume and even just like break and close below this current support area. See this one? We are having clean traffic. Even the 50 minutes like having some issues, but we just like go 30-minute confirmation here. This candle created a wick and broke this both rejection wick. You know what, if there's like a normal days and if I just like go to this structure, might be I'm just like gonna add one more position by using a dynamic risk. But as it's like just like explaining you guys already that it's a bank holiday, we can face volatility, market can easily betray us, we just like continuously discussing about this one. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like even whenever there's like some kind of low volume in the market, nothing gonna work out. Even you just like go to confirmation candle, even the next candle create a wick and break the low, still it's just like stuck there. It's just like still stuck there. So yeah, I would say this like this 50-minute candle just like about to be close. Look at this 50-minute candle just like close now. So the next candle should have to be created, we can break the low to continuously pushing to the downside. And you know what, now when the 50 minutes just like closed against me, I just like need to start managing the risk. All right, so if you just like come up and break this line high, I'm just like gonna close my 50% position, because 50 minutes just like closed against me till right now. Yeah, should be break below this low for the continuation. If you're just like going to break its own high, I'm gonna close 50% position there. Just like need to manage the risk. Now 50-minute candle just like closed against me, so I cannot enroll my emotions into it. It should not be react like that. I have to start managing the risk. 150-minute candle just like close against me, should have to be closed 50% position. If it could break this low, then I would say it could be continuously pushing downside. Let's see. Wow, man, it's just like pushing now. Break the low, give me spike, and here you go. Come on, should not be break its own high. No volume in the market trade right now, unless if it's just like break the low and continuously pushing to the downside. All right, man, come on, show me some good. Wow, look at the rejection. Look at the way just like reacting here. Wow, look at the spreads now. This is a sign of volatility. Look at the spreads, just like man, oh man, come on, break the low again, break your own low, and just like keep pushing downside. Oh, now just like pushing to the downside right now. So as it's just like pushing to the downside, when 20 pips in my favor, I'm just like bringing my stop loss at break even because I just like not feeling comfortable with this trade actually. So I'm just like gonna leave it with a break even. We'll see if it could continuously pushing to the downside. It's still having volatility in it. I think so. Well, when it's just like gone 40 pips in my favor, I should close my 90% position there. If it just like gone there, because after went in my favor like 25 30 pips, there's no business of this candle to come back and hit my break even. I need to manage the risk in that situation. So let's see, why not to grab 35 30 pips, something like that. 30 pips. Okay, pushing down 30 pips. Okay, 30 pips, closing 90. Oh, I just like close 90% position. Oh, I just like close it at 25 pips. Oh, that's not good. But yeah, at least I can buy some meal with this $10. Wow. But still, it's like volatility. I don't like it. I don't like the way it just like moving. I don't like it. Just like close it quickly. Look at this one. I don't like the way it just like moved. Yeah. Wow. Getting me out with this. Mm. See, this one is not like a smooth. I'm just like get out with the break even. Just like grab like 20 25 pips out of it. I don't like the price action today. Not like a smoothness in it. Can't say smoothness, just like a volatility, I would say. But wow, look at this one. Someone just like just close so scary trade. Yeah, it was scary. That's why just like lose use a low load size, bro. That's why use a low load size. It's a bank holder. It's just like an educational stream, I would say. If you know what, if it's like a normal days and I just like go to this kind of structure, I'm just like gonna hold with this one at least somewhere here or grab like 50 60 pips out of it. So yeah, I'm not gonna praise myself like I did a very good job. I just like give you educational content how to manage risk in this situation and how the market could react whenever there's like no or less volume in the market. So I think you guys just like got an idea here actually. So with respect to risk management, will close you 50% if the candle close low volume. Yeah, this 50-minute candle, I had a plan. If it's just like going to break its own high, I'm definitely gonna close my 50% position. Yes, it's just like closed against me now. I'm just like in a sell and I just like got a bullish candle just like closed like in a 50-minute time frame. So just like need to manage the risk. So that 49.90 is a key level for our support. Oh yeah, man, it's like rejecting from this 4 hour support here actually. Yes, makes sense. Look at the rejection, man. What you will just like going to get if you just like did not secure your 25 pips it here actually. So see, this is called volatility. This is how a market just like show some volatility. Should I close a sell or continue holding? I think so. Just like manage the risk. I just close so scary trade. Let me see this one. Wow, very nice. Very nice. At least you just like make some money here. Very nice. We also close. Very nice, Khan Saab. Hit my TP, but position didn't close. Why? It just like did not your buy like your ask and bid price did not broke below this TP actually. Both lines should be broke below this TP. One line from this like this ask and this bid price, these both lines should have to be broke below this TP. I think so. One line just like close the area, but another one just like didn't. So that's why it just like did not hit your TP. Look at this one, man. Oh, really, really, really sad. Why not you just like close it manually? Why you didn't just like close it manually, buddy? Really sad. It's really, really sad, man. It's really sad. Okay, Trading on bank holiday, yes, it's a bank holiday. That's why I just like close the position. I was just like not even comfortable with the sales, but still, it's showing the opportunity, just like giving you educational content. What could be happen if there's like a low volume? How you can be realistic with the things. Like if I can going to break above the high, I'm just like gonna close 50% position. Already had a plan to manage the risk as this kind of just like closed against me. Then it's like went in my favor like 25 30 pips 35, so I just like grab 25 pips close. Even like 90% position didn't close the complete position there, close 90%, and rest it's just like hit the stop loss. And I was just like using a lower lot size. The reason is just like a bank holiday. I just like don't have a like a clean traffic, but structure was there. So just like need to attempt it for the educational purpose. If I'm just like sitting alone, I definitely close the chart. To be honest, I never do trade during the bank holiday mostly, unless if some kind of like a huge volume I can see on the chart by getting tweet from Mr. Trump. Rather than that, I'm just like not even looking at the charts. But still, it could be like a very educational content for you guys to understand the concepts here. Okay, so great trade management, sir. Yes, risk management is the key to success. To be honest, I just like got nothing, just like a $10 with 0.05, but still I can buy a meal here, meal with it. Wow, man, 30 minutes still open. It's just like about to be closed in just in 7 minutes. H4 also going to be closed in 7 minutes actually. So let's see. Wow, what a volatility right now going on in the gold. What a volatility. So just like going to be just like waiting for this candle to be closed, and we'll see that can I give my trade one more chance or not. We'll see. Just like now, just like waiting for this 30-minute candle to be closed. Okay. Yeah, man. Monday is just like wild one today actually. You know what? I think so. Might be London close will bring something on the table. Might be London close. Wow, man. It should be continuously pushing to the downside. It should not be come back and hit my break even. It's a sign that it could go against me. Even it's just like broke this 50-minute low. Again, there's like a lot of rejection. It just like took a rejection from this area, from this support, and then continuously pushing upside. So it's mean there was just like no volume or less volume in the market. This is a sign of that one. Because with a higher probability structure, this is some kind of higher probability structure. If I'm just like sitting with the opening of NY session, opening of London session, some kind of a volume already was just like in the markets. So if I just like execute somewhere here, but depending on the volume, I try to hold trades somewhere somehow till this place. By depending on the volume, because clean traffic, tradable range, looking at 30-minute time frame. But USD bank holiday, why to lose like some money on a bank holiday when I just like knew that, and I can see that the market is like having less volume. So yeah, just like waiting for this 30-minute candle to be closed. Just like 5 minutes left for this candle to be closed, and we'll see. It's still open. It's just like still open, man. It's getting interesting now. Wow, it's just like getting boring now. Just 4 minutes left for this candle to be closed. 3 to 4 minutes left for this candle to be closed. Let's see how it's just like about to be closed. And tomorrow's stream will be like 2:30 a.m. Eastern, like a pre-London. I will start it during the pre-London, and we'll go through with London session as well. So I think so tomorrow just like going to be get like good opportunities actually, and it's also like a second half of the monthly, like the month of February. So I'm also, you know what, I'm expecting volume in the markets, but still we'll see. We'll see. Best load size for 7,500 master account. Actually, you are having like how much money you are, the real money of 7,500. You are having the live account or a pro form account. I would say just like if you are sitting with the real account, don't go more than 2% risk. And if you are having like a pro form account of 7,500, then I will suggest you to stick with 1% risk maximum on a master account. Just 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Wow. Pro firm, just like stick with 1% risk, not more than that. 0.5 or 1% risk. If you got like a master account now, uh, take it as its reality. 7,005, 10% is like 750, $750. Go with 0.05, 0.03, not more than that. And as you can see that these days you are going to be get like a bigger stop losses, so low lot size only makes sense, especially for the pro firms. Yeah, man. Wow. So the candle is like about to be closed. The 30-minute candle just like going to be closed, and 50-minute I can see just like also closed in a bullish form. So it's like need to readjust my zones here. Just like need to readjust my zones. H4 also just like going to be closed. It's just like closed already actually. You know what? Look at this one. It just like closed now. Close almost like within the range. I think so. I'm just like not gonna get anything after that. After getting this H4 closure, looking at smaller time frame, higher time frames, and we are just like sitting with the with the USD bank holiday. The way market just like reacting right now, not showing me any kind of opportunity. Look at the way how it just like printing the structures here. Look at after getting the confirmation candle, this candle just like close back into the range. So there's like nothing else than volatility. So doesn't make sense for me to like stick on a chart and waiting for some opportunity without having any volume on the charts. So it doesn't make sense to sit on the chart and continuously staring at it. And then you will just like get like tired, and you will try to force yourself for the execution. And today you're, if you're just like already sitting in the loss, so it's just like nothing, you can recover it easily for in the coming day, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But if you just like start to fight with this kind of market, your bad day will become like a worse day. So don't do it. You will just like going to realize it later while you just like sitting on the chair after closing the chart or laying on your bed and thinking about your bad trades. Why not to stop now? Just like stop now. If you are sitting in the loss, come tomorrow. If you just like lose 2%, it will be easy for you to recover like 2% risk. If you just like lose 20%, that it will now not going to be recoverable in the next day, and that also going to be get you in some kind of psychological panic condition. So stay calm, I would say relax, chill, and come tomorrow. So I'm just like heading off now. We'll see you guys tomorrow 2:30 a.m. Eastern during the London session, just like gonna do the live stream. and with new opportunity, with new plan, I think so things will be settled down till that. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned, be blessed, and take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.